Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're on a beautiful hike in the Mount Aspiring National Park. It's an absolutely stunning day. Can't ask for any better in New Zealand. There's not even a cloud in the sky, not for now anyway. Not always great for photography. All photographers would know. Blue sky is really hard to work with. They don't really add much to the actual landscape itself when you're trying to take photos. So it might just be more of a scenic video rather than any real photography. Obviously, I'll be snapping some shots along the way, which I'll put up. But yeah, without the clouds, it's really hard to create any drama or any images, which is really what you want in these beautiful sort of mountain scenes. So anyway, it's got to make the most of these beautiful days. Go out for a nice long stroll. I think it's about probably 8 kilometres or so out to the Mount Aspiring hut. I think that's what it's called. I should know this. Don't worry, I have looked it up. I've got maps on me and whatnot. I'm just, yeah, names isn't my forte, but yeah, I think it's 8-9 kilometres out, another 8-9 kilometres back, something like that. So yeah, a couple of hours. Probably 2.5 hours each way if I'm walking slowly, which I probably will because I'll be stopping taking photos. But yeah, these summer days are quite long, so I've noticed that, you know, the sun's not setting until close to 9 o'clock. We started quite late today. It's late morning, around 10:30, 11. But like I said, with the long days, got a very long afternoon to go out and back and be home comfortably before it gets pitch black. So anyway, I'll put some videos up along the way, hopefully a few shots, and yeah, just enjoy the day. So stay tuned. Gee, she's a warm day for New Zealand standards. Maybe could have got away with some shorts today, I think. Oh well. It's funny how quickly you actually acclimatise, because I think it's only, right now it's about 14 degrees. If we were back home in Perth, I'd be rocking a jumper. But over here, you feel like getting the whole kit off, jumping in the water. It's crazy. But anyway, absolutely stunning hike. You can't help but keep just looking up at the mountains. Got the dusting of snow on it, which is just absolutely beautiful. Hang on. Just got to navigate a bit of muddy. I'm all for walking through mud, but you know, if you can avoid it, you might as well avoid it. There we go, easily done. Onwards and upwards. Hopefully just onwards though. I'm sick of going upwards. There's a stunning little waterfall just off to my left here. Just got to try and see if we can actually get closer. Might just have to navigate a few sheep and a couple of fences. I think, yeah, there's no one around here to get me in trouble surely. I do have my zoom lens on me, so if I can't get close enough, I might be able to shoot something from a little bit further away. We'll have a look. So I got to a fence post and yeah, I think we'll just admire this one from afar. I think it'd be very hard to make a really nice image work, especially in the broad daylight as well. Problem with waterfalls in the daylight is the white water. You're trying to smooth out that water, so having a longer shutter. But by doing that, it's very easy to blow out the water with your exposure, because it's, yeah, it just, you lose all that detail. And it's hard to really tell on the back of the camera. It's not until you really get into like a dark room, you know, it's, oh yeah, I've like lost all the texture in the water because I've just overexposed it. Nice to look at, but yeah, I think we'll keep moving on. We're about 6 k's in now, feeling good. Legs are holding up well, so yeah, confident I'll get back nice and easily. Although, the further down the valley you get towards these mountains, it's the wind really picks up. So there was no wind at all to start off with, but yeah, it's just becoming, as it sort of the valley narrows, it just forms sort of like a natural wind tunnel. So you're walking straight into it. So it's making it a little bit more taxing now, walking into that stiff breeze. But tell you what, if it holds up like that, it'll be nice heading home with it on my back. So. Well, I've just left the aspiring hut and thought I'd continue on a little bit further. Still got plenty of energy in the tank. There is some flats further up called shovel flats. It's only about a 45-minute walk, so an hour and a half round trip. I figured, why not? Bit of a change of scenery here, going through the tree line, which I haven't really seen the whole walk. Has been quite open, so yeah, should be a nice little walk and hopefully get some nice scenery up there. If not, so be it. This might have been a mistake. Oh, it's all uphill. Where's this bloody flats? Jesus. He's got to be going downhill on the way back, I suppose. Oh. Well, made it to the flats and hell of a bloody view, I tell you that. Oh. The video, it won't do it justice to being here. It just makes you feel so small. Wow. Unbelievable. Oh, my legs are feeling it though. Oh, I thought I had plenty of energy, but oh, coming up over that ridge, that's just killed me legs. Oh, I'll rest here for a bit. Well, my battery on this camera is running quite low, so I think we'll wrap the video up. There is a few spots I want to photograph on the way back, so I probably won't be able to record it because I just don't have enough battery left, unfortunately. So what I'll do is I'll take those photos on the way back, and then I'll put those up here at the end of the video for you to have a look at. So I hope you've enjoyed the scenery along the hike and enjoyed the video. So stay tuned and have a look at the photos that I put up, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Cheers guys, thanks for tuning in. Bye.